channel, or welcome if you're new, and I'm super excited to bring you guys this makeup tutorial today because I don't know, I feel excited about today's video because I've been wanting to do it for a while. So I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow inspired by, I believe it's called the Star of Bethlehem flower. I'll put a picture right here. That picture's actually from my grandma's backyard. And the reason why I wanted to do a video specifically like dedicated to like this type of flowers, because every time I look at this flower and like I see them around this time, it just brings me like a certain feeling, like just like nostalgia. I don't know, growing up we had these flowers all over the backyard. That was like the indicator to me that it was springtime, like that was the beginning of spring. As soon as I saw the first bunches of flowers bloom, I knew spring is coming. And I don't know, it's a cute little flower and it's gonna be a super simple look. Beautiful, I think perfect for spring. Beautiful if you just want like a quick like pop of color. I felt really inspired by this flower, so I really hope you do enjoy, and if you do want to keep on watching, then let's get to it. So I do want to prep my eye today with a white base. I'm using the NYX Lingerie Matte Eye Tint in Bad to the Bone. I'm just going to be applying this all over the lid, focusing on the lid, right, but then blending it upwards and out just with my finger. Next, I will be going in with the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. I'm picking up the shade Into the Blue. And I'm just going to begin packing that onto the eyelid. I focus on packing in that color on my eyelid. And once I'm satisfied with the pigment of that, I'm just going to go ahead and with whatever's extra on the brush, I'm going to slowly start blending that upwards. Is set and laid out on your eyelids and blended out, I'm going to be taking that same shade and now applying it with this type of brush onto my lower lash line. And then I want to take a clean brush just to blend it out a little bit. We don't want harsh lines. After that, going into the same palette, going into the shade Cold Snap. I'm taking this to highlight my brow bone. I just want the tiniest bit of that up there because it is a blue shimmer, but I just want a tiny bit of shimmer up there. After that, I'm taking my Essence white pencil. Any white eyeliner that you have will work. I'm just going to be applying that to my inner corner. I just want to lay down some white right now because I'm going to be applying yellow in there, and I want that yellow to pop. A little bit on the inside, a little bit down here. And then I'm going in with BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. And I'm going in with this yellow right here with this super tiny brush, again for the inner corner. So I'm going to just pack that in there. It's going to take a few times to get the pigment that I want, but just slow and steady will get you there. It actually doesn't look bad on the first one. You can definitely see like the yellow coming through, but I want a little bit more. I do want to go ahead and add white to my waterline right down there, right above the pastel blue. Let's go ahead and add a quick highlight to my cheekbones. So I'm taking my favorite, you already know, and I want to go in with a light pink. Tiny bit of that for my cheekbones. I'm going to moisturize, and I do want the focus to stay on my eyes, so I'm going to keep it nude. So I'm going in with this Maybelline lipstick. I don't know from what collection it is, but it is in Barely Bloomed, and I like this because it is a nude, but it's a very like pale, very light nude. But I like to add this for springtime and then with like a gloss over it. My lips are very chapped right now. They're very dry. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and go in with the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss in Love Struck. So that's all for this video. I told you guys it was super quick and super simple. Like literally, what did I use? Like 2, 3 shadows on my eyes, So you can definitely recreate this look. You don't have to have this palette, of course, because the pastel-y periwinkle type of color, I'm pretty sure you have it in your collection already, maybe. But again, I just wanted to do a video inspired by this flower because it's just special to me. It brings back childhood memories, okay? But yeah, seeing these flowers is always the beginning of spring to me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. And even if you're still stuck at home, I mean, it's still fun to play with makeup. I'm still doing it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. And I'll talk to you guys soon.